What's up guys, this is Skull9X here on a new video on Apex Legends. Of course, I am here to entertain all of you with JNWarrior, and I'm not sure if Jizzy's on this video, but who knows. But I do hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe to me and my partner, my good old buddy JNWarrior. I'll leave his link in the description down below, and I really hope you guys really enjoy. You got it.
Where is he?
They're dead.
I can't move.
Hold square. Turn around. Stop, just stop moving. Jane, stop moving. Jane. Oh no.
I need a little help from my friends. 30 seconds remain. Safety is an arrow shot away.
We're screwed.
Go!
Dad! Yes, we can hear you.
I'm in a loading screen. I don't like this.
Don't you dare run away from me. Oh! Yo,
Get her?
Yeah, well, she did a little teleport thing. That's amazing. That's so amazing. Oh, you're gonna scan me now. Watch out, partner.
Got him.
Loot.
She had the flatline and an arc star.
Don't tell me they're gonna type it one store. Evil armor. Yep, evil armor too. Jane, we have the circle.
Think we can go up there?
I don't know. It's too far from where we're at, and they have snipers too. Right here's the best spot. Oh, this is perfect though. Oh man. Damn, dude, it has to be her with that. She has a sniper, Sentinel.
I heard Lobo's thing. I don't know.
She went where I marked it. Literally where I marked it. Watch out, you slide from that
Oh
thing.
yeah.
Enemy spotted. Way out there, like little cucarachas.
As I can see him. Circle us. Loba, and who's the other one on top?
Revenant.
Okay. Damn, Revenant of all people. Ah, no. Jake.
She's hurt.
Gotcha. She's over there. You find Revenant?
Yep. He's hurt.
Got him?
Behind you.
No, I see her. You gotta be kidding. Buddy. Oh my god, I need reload. Oh. Good shit. You don't crow.
What a win.
Can't use my ultimate here either.
Oh, they're right there. Right in front of us. Gosh.
Nice one, school.
Nice.
Yeah,
Should we rush it?
oh my god, dude. Can't see it, let's go.
No worries. One of them's still alive. Oh, he's up there. The one here.
Bro, he's right here.
Got him.
Oh my god, dude, this is annoying.
Last of that enemy squad has perished.
One more squad left.
RE-45 here.
RE-45, dude.
It's right next door. Easy. Recharging shields.
Two squads left, we gotta move, bro.
Let me get everything. Alright, let's go.
I'm good, dude. I got hella things.
Is moving to live fighters.
Let's go for the
No one is
circle.
inside. Scanning the area.
Ah,
Oh, damn, they're
come
right
over
here.
here, come over. Actually, do you have your ultimate? Do you have your ultimate?
Yeah, don't throw it.
Yeah, throw it over there.
This fact.
Throw your thumb in the
They're
middle.
gonna hold this off right there. They're gonna hold this off, Skull. Oh no, I'm hitting it! No way! Hold on. Get back, Skull, get back.
No. Oh, they're trapped in the storm. Come on. They're trapped in the storm. They're around there.
Someone traveled through here recently.
We could have held them, we could hold them, Skull.
I know.
They're going around, you think?
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, they are.
Yeah. They're coming, he's just right here chilling, Skull. Watch out.
That's the only one that's down there? I mean, up there? There
I
could
know,
be-
I only saw one, dude.
I know, there could be someone behind us too.
What's the move, Skull?
Ring is close. Time graces us.
I heard someone to my right.
Right here. Shit.
Right, I don't see him,
He's up.
I see him.
Other guy on the right side, on the right, watch out, Skull.
Marking our surroundings.
Wait,
They're
what?
both over there. They're both over there.
The ring is not in contact with hostile.
They're both over
They
there
move,
chilling.
yeah, they move. Let's go, I'm gonna hit him from behind, I'm gonna be right here.
Okay. I'm gonna hit this rock over here.
I'm gonna chill right here, Skull. I'm gonna chill right here, dude.
No worries, I got the cover for the rock.
Yeah, just cover me. Oh, he moved. One guy moved that way, Skull.
Yep.
Watch out, other guy's coming next to you, Skull. He's right there next to you.
Got one?
He's right here. Woo!
Good
Let's
stuff,
go.
bro.
You're the kill leader.
What?
Good stuff.
Good job, dude.